Hello guys, I'm back with another video. So today I will grow coriander from seeds. You will need good quality coriander seeds. Other than this, take normal garden soil and any kind of compost. Mix the compost with garden soil. Break the seeds into two. One pod contains 2 seeds. This process will help the seeds germinate faster. Now sow the seeds. Sprinkle a little compost. Water it on alternate days. Covering it with green net will create humidity and seeds will germinate faster. Once the seeds start germinating, then remove the green net. At this point, add a little fertilizer to make the stems of the plant stronger. So here is the result after 23 days. There is a slight damage due to a rainstorm, but luckily the plants survived. Time to harvest your fresh homegrown coriander.